Well, hello there, friends, and welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad you could join me today. Are you ready to get started? I hope you are, because it is time to figure out the day of the week. It is the 6th day of May, and that means it is what day of the week? Are you ready to sing our song? Let's sing it together. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Let's sing it. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Let me hear you. Keep going. Days of the week. 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 Excellent. And today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Let's figure out what flower is going to come next. Pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. If you said blue, you are absolutely correct. It is our blue flower. That's going to come next. Great job. All right, let's go on and let's figure out what kind of weather we have today. We said it was going to be windy today, and it is windy because we have some rain. So with rain comes wind. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the wind, but I'm going to put some rain with it, okay? So we have windy, but we have a rainy day today. A good day to watch a movie, play a board game. Today, my family and I, we're going to learn how to play canasta, the game that I've had sitting on the shelf for a very, very long time. And a rainy day calls for a game. So we're going to learn how to play canasta. I hope you have fun on this rainy day. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? What do you think? Should we put cloudy or should we put sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. What kind of weather are we going to have? What do you think? Okay, I heard clouds with some sun. I'll take that. That sounds good to me. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, here we go. We're going to count all the way to 15. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome job. Let's count backwards and quietly. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Excellent job. All right, let's find a shape. Who can find the rhombus? What's the other word for rhombus? If I don't call it a rhombus, I could call it a diamond. And here it is. What color is that rhombus or diamond? It is brown. Great job, friends. Let's sing our shape song. Here we go. See if my internet feels like it.
You don't really want your kids
everyone just
videos,
loves an ad.
But it can have certain advantages.
Skipping. Here we go. Shapes have names of angles, lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Here we go. Circle, circle, square, square, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, oval, oval, diamond, diamond, heart, heart, star, star, angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I will shape, I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. What's this one? Rhombus. What is it? Rhombus or diamond. That's right. You knocked that right out of the park. All right. How about today, instead of finding a color, we name the colors. Are you ready to name the colors? All right, I'm going to tell you the object, and you tell me what color it is. So, for example, what color is the triangle? White. What color is the fish? Orange. All right, now I'm not going to go in order. What color is Celia Wheelia, Mike Wazowski's girlfriend? She's purple. What color is chocolate? Brown. How about Anger? What color is he? Red. That's right. You all are doing a great job today. How about those elephants? What color are they? Gray. How about Pinkie Pie? Yeah, she's pink. Oh, how about Sadness? Blue. Yes. Excellent. How about Oreo? What color is that Oreo? Oh, it's black. That's right. And how about the school bus? What color is that? Yellow. That's exactly right. You are doing great. How about Disgust? What color is she? She is green. That's right. All right. Let's go on. Our nursery rhyme this week is This Old Man. I'm going to sing it to you today. Are you ready to sing it with me? We know a little bit of it. It's good rhyming because we can hear when he says, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. He's played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. Rhyming. All right, are you ready to sing it with me? All right, here we go. Okay, so as we sing this song, we're going to do some hand movements or hand gestures with it. So it goes, excuse me, this old man, he played one. We hold up one finger. He played knick-knack on my thumb. Show me your thumb. And now when I say with a knick-knack, paddywhack, you're going to tap your knees with your hands. Knick-knack, paddywhack. And then put your hands together and pretend like you're giving a dog a bone. And then roll your hands in a circle like we do with the wheels in the bus. This old man came rolling home. Let's try with the next one. This old man, he played two. Show me two fingers. He played knick-knack on my shoe. Point to shoe. All right, now you're going to tap your knees, tap the top of your knees, thighs area with your hands with a knick-knack, paddywhack. Now put your hands together and open them up. Give your dog a bone. This old man, roll your arms, came rolling home. All right, here we go. One more time, a little slow. Show me three. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack, pointing to your knee. Now we're going to tap on top of our knees with our hands. Knick-knack, knack, paddywhack. Put your hands together, open them up. Give your dog a bone, now roll our hands. This old man came rolling home. Ready? Here we go, the next one. This old man, he played four. Show me four. He played knick-knack on my door. You see a door? Point to it. See a door right there. And we're going to tap top of our legs. Knick-knack, paddywhack. Put your hands together up. Give a dog a bone. Now roll 'em. This old man came rolling home. All right, we're going to go to 5. All right, here we go. Go a little faster. Show me 4. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my door. Oh, I did that one. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. And up. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 5. Show me 5. He played knick-knack on my hive. Oh, look at it. It's pretending it's a hive. With a tap your legs. Knick-knack, paddywhack. Open your hands. Give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Very nice. Tomorrow we'll do it. All right, now it's time for our letter. Let's do the letters review. L, F, E, H, T, I, U. Don't forget about that magic C, because we need that magic C to make our letter this week, which is O. And what does O say? It says ah, ah, ah. For ostrich, octagon, and octopus. Let's sing about where we start those letters, because we start them at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Here we go, Oz. Ah. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go, going down. Uh-oh. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your numbers at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right. What letter are we building today? We are building the letter O. And O says ah. Excellent. We're going to start off with our magic C. Let's put it onto our mat. We have to push it off just a little bit because the letter O is so big, it doesn't fit easily onto the mat. Now we're going to grab our other magic C and put it with that one. And now we've got the letter O. And O says ah. Let's make it together one time, all together. Here we go. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Let's keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Thanks for joining me for Circle Time today. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Miss you. Bye.